Dodge revealed the 2026 Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pak, and it's nothing short of an old-school muscle car dream brought back to life with a modern twist. The legendary HEMI V8 returns, but this time it's strapped inside a purpose-built, track-only Charger engineered to dominate the drag strip. Dodge might be shifting toward electrification, but this car is proof the brand still knows how to make pure, gasoline-fueled chaos. Over the past few years, the Charger has evolved into a more futuristic, electrified performance sedan. But with the Drag Pak, Dodge takes a hard turn back to its roots. This is not a comfortable street cruiser. It's a no-compromise race car built to destroy quarter miles. Only 50 units will be produced, making it one of the most exclusive muscle machines Dodge has ever created. The Drag Pak program itself has a storied history, dating back to the late 1960s, when Dodge first started offering factory-built drag racers. The 2026 version carries that same spirit forward, only now with modern engineering and NHRA spec precision. At the core of the 2026 Drag Pak sits a 354 cubic inch 5.8-liter Gen 3 HEMI V8 engine, built with an all-new aluminum block, forged crankshaft, H-beam connecting rods, and diamond racing pistons. This engine is designed to handle extreme power. Sitting on top is a Whipple 3.0-liter twin-screw supercharger that force-feeds massive amounts of air into the HEMI, helping it push out a monstrous power figure, well over 1,000 horsepower in race tune. This engine setup is capable of launching the car down the drag strip in under 8 seconds for a quarter mile. That's supercar territory, except this one's wearing a Dodge badge and built to run pass after pass. The Drag Pak's power is routed through a Cohen 3-speed automatic transmission, paired with a Mark Williams 9-inch rear end and a 4.30-to-1 final drive ratio. The suspension is a 4-link drag setup with double adjustable shocks, all designed for maximum traction and control under brutal acceleration. Lightweight construction was a major focus. Carbon fiber hood, doors, and rear deck lid help shed nearly 100 pounds compared to the previous Challenger-based Drag Pak. Inside, it's all business. A full roll cage, racing seats, harness, and safety gear replace any luxury features. Here's the bittersweet part. This monster isn't street legal. Dodge built the Drag Pak specifically for NHRA Factory Stock Showdown competition. That means no registration, no license plates, just pure racing glory. But the existence of a new HEMI-powered Charger keeps hope alive that Dodge might one day bring the V8 back to its road cars. The 2026 Dodge Charger Drag Pak is a love letter to American muscle, a car that ignores trends, emissions charts, and comfort. It's built to do one thing: go fast in a straight line. And it does it with the unmistakable fury of a supercharged HEMI V8. With only 50 units being made, this limited-run beast isn't just a drag car, it's an instant collector's item. Whether or not Dodge brings the HEMI back to the streets, one thing's clear: muscle car DNA is alive and well, and it still wears a Dodge badge.